Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes. Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is Practice Test 4, focusing on government and the law in Australia. You'll have 20 questions to test your knowledge. Let's see how many you get right. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. What is executive power in Australia? A. The power to interpret and apply laws. B. The power to make new laws. C. The power to put laws into practice. The correct answer is the power to put laws into practice. What is the role of the Governor-General in Australia? A. The representative of the head of state in Australia. B. The leader of the Australian government. C. The leader of a state government. The correct answer is the representative of the head of state in Australia. Who is included in the executive in Australia? A. Senators, High Court judges and the Prime Minister. B. The Prime Minister, Australian government ministers and the Governor-General. C. Members of Parliament, the Speaker of the House and government ministers. The correct answer is the Prime Minister, Australian government ministers and the Governor-General. Who is the leader of the Australian government? A. The Governor-General. B. The Prime Minister. C. The Chief Minister. The correct answer is the Prime Minister. Who is the leader of a state government in Australia? A. Premier. B. Chief Minister. C. Governor. The correct answer is Premier. Who is the leader of a territory government in Australia? A. Governor. B. Chief Minister. C. Senator. The correct answer is Chief Minister. Who is a government minister? A. A member of Parliament chosen to be responsible for an area of government. B. The head of the judiciary. C. A representative of the Governor-General. The correct answer is a member of Parliament chosen to be responsible for an area of government. What is another name for the Australian government? A. The state government. B. The royal government. C. The federal government or the Commonwealth government. The correct answer is the federal government or the Commonwealth government. What is the role of a senator in Australia? A. An elected representative of a state or territory in the Australian Parliament. B. The head of a local government. C. A judge in the High Court. The correct answer is an elected representative of a state or territory in the Australian Parliament. Who is the leader of a local government in Australia? A. Mayor or Shire President. B. Premier. C. Chief Minister. The correct answer is Mayor or Shire President. Who is a councillor in Australia? A member of Parliament. B. A federal judge. C. An elected member of a local council. The correct answer is an elected member of a local council. What is legislative power in Australia? A. The power to enforce laws. B. The power to interpret laws. C. The power to make and change laws. The correct answer is the power to make and change laws. How many houses does the Australian Parliament have? A. 2. B. 3. C. 1. The correct answer is 2. What are the two houses of the Australian Parliament? A. The House of Representatives and the Senate. B. The House of Commons and the House of Lords. C. The Legislative Council and Executive Council. The correct answer is the House of Representatives and the Senate. What is another name for the House of Representatives? A. The lower house or the People's House. B. The upper house. C. The Senate. The correct answer is the lower house or the People's House. How is Australia divided for elections in the House of Representatives? A. Into federal electorates. B. Into local councils. C. Into states only. The correct answer is into federal electorates. Who represents the people in federal electorates? A. Members of Parliament, MPs. B. Senators. C. Local councillors. The correct answer is Members of Parliament, MPs. How is the number of MPs in each state or territory determined? A. Based on the population of the state or territory. B. Each state has an equal number of MPs. C. Decided by the Prime Minister. The correct answer is based on the population of the state or territory. Who debates proposals for new laws in the Australian Parliament? A. Only the Prime Minister. B. Members of Parliament and Senators. C. The Governor-General. The correct answer is Members of Parliament and Senators. What is the primary role of the House of Representatives? A. To consider, debate, and vote on proposals for new laws or changes to the laws. B. To enforce laws. C. To interpret laws. The correct answer is to consider, debate, and vote on proposals for new laws. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And practice more tests from our playlists.